this video, I'm going to show you on how to delete MT5 account in Exness. So first you're going to need to do is open your Exness. And then from here, just type in your PIN code. So just do that. And once you're in your account and in your homepage, just have to tap on the profile at the bottom right. And in here, you just have to go to your settings. So just tap on that settings icon at the top right. So in here, you can see at the bottom, you can see there's delete account. So just have to tap on that. And so here's how to delete your account. So if you wish to permanently delete your Exness account, please reach out to support at exness.com and then tap the button below to read about the account termination process. So just tap on the contact support since we want to delete our account. So just tap on this. So here, how you can send your concerns. So we'll just go to Gmail or email, and then from here we can start typing here our concern. So since we want to delete our account, we're going to type in, so I would like to delete my account, please help me out. So that's how you type your concern. But if you want to add some details, then you can also add some details and be specific with your concern and issue on why you want to delete your account, so that the process will be faster and easier. And once you're done, you just have to tap on that arrow to send your concern or your deletion. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!